I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the CFB26 receiver and its firmware. This prevents mismatched routines. Once confirmed, ground yourself with an ESD strap and remove power. This avoids damage. Next, open the case using Torx T8 and a small Phillips and visually inspect connectors and solder joints for obvious faults. This saves time. Finally, connect a multimeter set to continuity and a 12V bench supply for controlled testing. Proceed only after you have a safe, documented baseline. You now focus on the signal chain. Probe the antenna connector, RF front end, and IF filters to locate loss. Using the service markings, adjust the local oscillator trim incrementally while monitoring frequency lock. Small turns matter, so move slowly. Once locked, inject a 1 kHz, -20 dBm test tone and observe the demodulator output on the oscilloscope to confirm proper amplitude and shape. If levels deviate, trace back to the amplifier stages and replace or retune components as needed. You finish by restoring regulated power and running the full functional test sequence to confirm all channels operate within spec. Make sure to record trim positions, calibration values, and the receiver serial ID for future reference. This preserves repeatability. If something still fails, methodically swap suspect modules, reflash firmware using verified files, and consult the unit error codes. These point to hardware versus software faults. One key troubleshooting tip. If intermittent issues persist, monitor temperatures during operation to reveal thermal or cold solder problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.